Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are headed to the Burberry outlet to try on some of their plaid Nova check dresses. Now I tried on 3 different styles to get kind of a full array. This first one is a very light, easy breezy plaid dress. It also came in a few solid colors, including a very beautiful black color. And then I also tried on this long sleeve plaid dress, as well as this sleeveless kind of tweed material Nova check dress that I've seen quite often in other retailers and department stores. Now I do know that outlet stores sometimes make special items specifically for their outlet store, but this last tweed one I do know that I have seen in other department stores, so I don't expect that this one is made for just the outlet. So let's go ahead and start with this one. I have personally been so intrigued by this dress for a very long time, and it's ironic because when I put it on, I actually didn't like it at all. So it kind of just goes to show how useful the fashion try-on can be to kind of quench that thirst of trying something on that you've been dreaming about for so long and kind of rule it out. I know there's a trend going on about like de-influence, so maybe that one's here. Now I tried that tweed dress on in a 2, and this plaid long sleeve dress I tried on in a 00. So that is just to say, be careful about the sizes that you are ordering if you're doing this online, or, you know, just keep in mind that the variability is really large. I did like this dress, but I thought it was a little too much for me personally. Now this last dress I had to try on in a size 8 as they didn't have anything in my size. I did really love it though, and I thought it was just really easy breezy. You can see I'm kind of fidgeting with the size to give you the general look. I don't think it's that far off given that it is, you know, just a standard shift dress. It felt really lightweight for the summer. It felt like a perfect travel dress, and especially in the black color, which my friend did try on, it was really an awesome find. That is all for this try-on. If you liked the outlet content and want more, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.